Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to talk about a huge headache for so many businesses, getting your employee time card data from Oracle HCM over to Oracle projects without all that soul-crushing manual work. We're going to dive into how you can build an automated bridge for your labor costs. And trust me, it's a game changer. I mean, if you've ever spent your day just wrestling with spreadsheets, trying to copy and paste time card data from one system to another, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It feels like it should be simple, right? But it's just this minefield of formatting errors, typos, and just a total waste of time.
And look, the problems here aren't just annoying, they're actually pretty serious. A single typo can completely throw off your project budgets. All that time spent just keying in data is time you're not spending on actual analysis. It all leads to delays, so you don't even know your true project costs until it's too late. And the worst part? As your company gets bigger, this problem just snowballs.
But thankfully, there is a much better way. The solution isn't to hire more people to do manual data entry, it's to build an intelligent, automated bridge between these systems. And that bridge, my friends, is called Oracle Integration Cloud, or OIC for short.
So what is OIC really? Well, think of it like a central nervous system for your applications. It's this digital superhighway that lets Oracle HCM and Oracle projects talk to each other, automatically, without any human intervention. It's the engine that's going to power this whole automated process.
All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. How does OIC actually pull this off? Let's pop the hood and see how it works. The whole automated journey really breaks down into three main stages, all perfectly coordinated by OIC.
At a really high level, you can think of it like a simple relay race. First, you extract the data and get it ready on the starting blocks. Then, you generate the right files and import them across the finish line. And finally, you monitor the whole thing to make sure the job got done right. Extract, import, and report. Simple.
So it all kicks off automatically. You've got a scheduled job in OIC that basically reaches into HCM and grabs the latest timecard data. That data comes out in a nice package, thanks to a tool called HCM Extract. OIC then takes this raw data and puts it into a temporary holding area, an Autonomous Transaction Processing, or ATP database. Think of it like a prep station in a kitchen, where you get all your ingredients ready before the main event.
Now here's where things get really clever. There's a built-in human checkpoint. So, before anything gets loaded into your final project system, a user can quickly glance at the stage data to make sure it looks right. Once they give it the thumbs up, a single click triggers the next job in OIC. This job instantly takes that prep data, formats it into these special FBDI files, which is just the exact template Oracle Projects needs, and boom, sends it on its way.
And this right here is the final, absolutely crucial piece of the puzzle. I mean, how do you know it actually worked? You don't want to just hope for the best, right? Well, a third OIC job acts as a callback. It basically waits for Oracle projects to confirm the import is done, and then it logs everything, successes, failures, you name it. So you have a perfect audit trail. It completely closes the loop.
Okay, let's keep going. This slick automation process, it might seem like magic, but it's not. It's all made possible by a few key power tools, adapters, and components that OIC uses to get the job done. This table breaks down the key players perfectly. You've got HCM Extract, which neatly packages up all that timecard data. You have the ATP database, which is our data prep station. And then you have the FBD adapter. Now this is the secret sauce. This is what makes the whole integration so much easier. Instead of needing a developer to write a bunch of custom code to load the data, OIC has this pre-built adapter that already knows exactly how to talk to Oracle projects. It's a huge time saver. So we've gotten pretty deep into the how of all this, but let's zoom back out and talk about the why. What's the real tangible impact of putting a system like this in place for your business?
The payoff is massive, and it's not just a technical fix for your IT team. This is a business transformation. You get way better accuracy because you're taking human error out of the equation. You get project cost reports so much faster, and you get this clean, streamlined process that can easily scale up as your company grows without you having to throw more people at the problem.
I mean, the difference is just night and day. You go from a world that's manual, slow, and full of errors to one that's automated, fast, and incredibly accurate. You stop having your data trapped in silos and start having truly integrated systems. You go from delayed reporting to getting real-time insights into your labor costs. It's a total upgrade.
So as we've seen, one single, well-designed integration can completely wipe out a major business headache.
Now, of course, building these integrations right does require specific expertise in OIC, and that's where teams like BizInsight Consulting, who have deep experience in this space, can really help you build these things quickly and reliably. This whole example just shows the incredible power of automation, and it leaves us with one final thought. Now that you've seen what's possible here, what's the next manual process in your organization that's just begging to be transformed?